Good morning guys, from Skopje, Macedonia. We are actually checking out today from Hotel Dakota, a very nice stay. 2 days here, banging the old bazaar. If you want to stay near the old bazaar, this is the place for you. Incredible hot tub, I've made use of that hot tub, seriously. Incredible Wi-Fi and very, very COVID secure. But we are checking out today. We've actually decided to extend our stay in the country actually for 2 or 3 more days. One reason being that we need to get a coronavirus test for our next destination. You will see that tomorrow hopefully. And the other being that to do with Skopje 2014, they actually added a couple of pirate ships on the river here. And we like the look of these pirate ships. One of these pirate ships is actually a hotel and we love unique stays. So are you ready to get your pirate hat?
I'm ready.
We're staying on a pirate ship.
Just checked out of Hotel Dakota and they actually gave us a piece of paper which states that we've been staying at the hotel, and they said that it was in case we have any problems at the borders or at the airport, which I think is really nice, and no hotel's actually done that, so thanks a lot Hotel Dakota. But we are so excited to be moving to this hotel. It's something we've seen every single day.
We are now crossing the historical bridge. I think it's the historical bridge. You've got Art Bridge, Stone Bridge, Historical Bridge, statue. There's actually I think 30 statues on this bridge.
It's madness.
Which is crazy, and there's like another 30 on that bridge. And look at this behind me. It is a literal pirate ship.
It's massive as well.
There's actually 3. The one further down is a bar. Our one here, Senegala, is a hotel and bar, and they're building a 3rd one down this way, but I'm not sure what they're doing with that. But we've walked past this every time. We stayed in the new part of town, we stayed in the old part of town. Now we're staying right in the middle on a pirate ship.
This is so cool.
Last time on land.
This is literally our last, we're now hovering, we're on the plank. Oh my God, I can't believe this.
It looks so good.
I don't even know what to say. First things first, it's huge. Like
it's massive.
It's so much bigger than you expect it to be. I'm just so excited. Look at this.
It feels presidential.
It feels so cool. I love the flag as well, look at that.
The flag is so nice. We've got to check in first.
Yeah,
then we can
let's go
explore.
and check in and then we can explore. Stand down. Oh my God, this is so cool. I don't even know where to start. Look at this. It's an actual ship. It's so cool.
Even the corridor is really cool.
The corridor is really cool. We'll show you that in a minute. But first things first, we have a huge bed. All the photos on the wall have ships in. It makes you feel like you're moving.
I wonder if this ever was like a ship at sea.
Or whether
in the
it was
past.
just made
I'll
to
have
be
to
a
find
hotel.
out.
You got a big TV. I love this. It's like an old-fashioned style room. Like
I love the wood.
Vintage.
Vintage wood.
I'll show you this in a minute. What's behind
I
here?
want to do the bathroom.
Take the bathroom.
Oh, it's really big. It's bigger than I thought. So we got a big shower, nice toilet, disinfected, huge sink.
We do have loads of space in here as well. Oh my God, and look at the layout. The layout is of like a ship. That is so cool. But
It is a ship, Molly.
Yeah, I know, but I didn't think
And
the
then our
fire
view.
exits would be like this.
Can we open it?
You can, I think. We can.
Can we open this?
I don't know if that's what's bugs coming in.
That's lots of bugs coming in. But look at that. We have a river view. This is so good.
This is so cool.
It all just feels so authentic in here, from these lovely wooden cupboards to even these bedside lights. The wood, I don't know, I just feel like I'm on...
I hope no one hears you from next door.
I just feel like I'm on a ship in Macedonia like 100 years ago, if that makes sense, with the modern touches.
It's definitely not from 100 years ago because the Wi-Fi is quite fast.
Is it quick?
Yeah.
So we can get work done on the ship. But I think today's video will be a day of exploring the ship, eating food on the ship, eating dinner on the ship, drinking beers on the ship. I mean, when you have an experience like this, you need to make the most of it, right? My first priority is, oh, a nice fridge, is putting this in the fridge. Oh. See you later.
we're going for lunch on our boat, but downstairs there are 18 rooms. This is ground level, this is like reception and the toilet and the lounge area.
This is just the lounge, this isn't the restaurant.
I love this.
The chairs, it feels, I just keep saying presidential, I don't know why.
I'd be interested to know in what year they're sort of basing the ship on, because it does feel very vintage.
Yeah, it's really nice.
And then
you come through to the deck.
we have a gorgeous outside. Look at how cool this is. Wow. Look at this!
This has got to be my favourite thing about this place, which is the deck. You've got the restaurant at the top, but you can also eat out here on the deck. You can actually come in this if you're not actually staying in the hotel as well, which we were very tempted to do, but we thought we'd save it for now. Oh, they've got draft beer. You've got the museum, well, one of the new museums behind me.
You know, this looks fake. Like this whole backdrop, it looks like you're on a movie set. It's so cool.
It sort of is. Well, it's not fake, is it? They're new buildings, but what a location. Beer, got some pastas on the way. The River Vardar behind me, and it's a really fast flowing river. You can actually see a lot of the locals come fishing. They wade out.
And it's really noisy.
And we've also got the mast up here, and there's a ladder going up here. So I reckon if we have a word with someone, we might be able to climb up the top of the boat. How good do these pastas look?
Oh my god, I'm so hungry. I've gone for like a sort of sun-dried tomato and parmesan flavoured tagliatelle. Matt's gone for a carbonara penne. What better place could you have?
This is ridiculous.
Pasta?
You know what I noticed as well? Behind us is all the bars that we go to on the river.
You're in the best location ever.
It is a ridiculous location. Cheers.
Cheers.
That food was so good. I just can't get over these views though, look. All along the Vardar River. It is so nice. I'm actually going to go inside now. In my Skopje, because it's actually really windy today. First day we've had high winds in Skopje. But this is, yeah, it's just incredible. All the way along here, you can see all three bridges, the river below me. It's just such a cool experience. It's really random, but I think it's great for the city. I think things like this would bring lots of tourists. We actually spoke to the waiter, and I was wrong. It wasn't part of the project of 2014. It was actually an independent project by the owner, and it was built in 2014 actually, and it wasn't actually a real boat. They just built with the foundations of a boat. But for today, we will pretend that this was a pirate ship from over 200-300 years ago.
That food was so good. Like, normally when you get a pasta dish, the portion sizes are never that big, and I was so pleased. Even more pleased with my Skopje in the room. It's been a while since we've done that. It doesn't taste as good as the draft, but it will do it for now. I'm just loving being a pirate in our pirate ship. Like, it's just so different and such a unique experience. This is why you travel, so you get these experiences. But we've basically been in the room making use of our pirate room. Like, it's just so nice to be in something different, not conventional. We're probably gonna have dinner at the hotel again tonight because it has such a big menu and there are other things that we would like to try, but we will make that decision afterwards. But I'm just gonna drink my Skopje and chill in my pirate bed.
The shower in there is so good. I was expecting it to be really cold being on a boat, but I popped to the shop and I got some lozova. I actually always ask what lozova is, and it's the Macedonian raki, so that's a yellow raki.
You know, I can smell that from here.
It wasn't expensive, by the way, so I just feel like if you were, hold on, let me put that there. If you were a Macedonian pirate, you would drink a raki, right? So it smells good.
Oh no.
It's quite harsh.
Is it?
It's quite harsh. I should have put it in the fridge. Well, that's really good. But I'm getting into the I'm getting into the mood of being a pirate for the night. I think we'll have dinner here. It makes sense to have dinner here. We'll have dinner here, make the most of the experience, because tomorrow we are on here, but we're getting a certain test done. That raki was far too strong. I love this corridor though. It really does feel like you're on a genuine pirate ship. But we're gonna go up the top now, maybe get some food. I can't make my mind up now. I'm gonna definitely get a couple of beers up there so we can show you the the main bar and restaurant. We might head out for food. I really don't know. We've got to check the menu again because I don't want to get the same thing twice.
Absolutely love it up here. It's so bright and airy. We're right on top of the river.
Look at this.
Look
Literally
at this
river.
view. It's so cute. It feels so homely, and it's really, really busy. Hence why we're sitting at the back and not out the front, because it's so busy. But big Skopje.
I think, cheers. I think it's just going to be beers in here than food outside.
Just beers.
We don't want to show
find
too
somewhere
much
else.
boat.
Also, we want to try somewhere different.
I didn't think we'd be saying this, but we are walking the plank.
We actually are. This is a.
And he fell over.
It's like it's not a wooden plank. It's a steel plank.
It is a steel plank.
But we're still walking it.
You're a steel plank. But we're gonna head out.
We didn't fancy a pasta.
We didn't.
Again, the menu is really good here.
Really,
However,
really good.
they specialise in pastas.
Pastas. I didn't want a pasta for dinner as well.
Or a burger, because you've had a burger for the last few days.
So basically, while we've been here, we've been to a lot of different places. We actually went a few nights ago to District at the Marriott, which we're not going to go to again. We didn't actually show you that. It was expensive, but amazing food. So you probably won't go there again.
Exactly.
We've done a food tour in the Old Bazaar, but we're over on this side now, so no Old Bazaar.
And there are some really lovely restaurants along here. However, there is one that sticks to mind that has a draft beer pint
for
at
like
a very good
£1,
price.
and they do good. We're going to the Irish bar again. To make things better, there is our lovely pirate ship, and the Irish bar is, where is it?
Down there at
Literally
the
just
end.
behind you there. I can't deal with how dark it gets so early now the clocks have gone back.
4:30 p.m. it gets dark.
Good morning from our pirate ship in Skopje, Macedonia. Again, one too many beers and raki last night, but if I'm staying on a pirate ship, I need to fit the role of a pirate. How you feeling?
Piratey.
Piratey, but a really, really good sleep.
Is that even a word?
That's not a word, Molly. It doesn't rock because the boat is
Moored.
It's moored, yeah. So it doesn't rock. There's no flow.
And the river's not that thick, is it? Or
No.
Phil, should you say? I can't even speak
I just
properly.
feel thick this morning. Went to the Irish bar again. Too many beers. Really like it in there. Food is great. But we're going to wrap this video up because today we are getting a coronavirus test. Fingers crossed that all goes well. You actually see that in the next video. Incredible stay here so far at Hotel Senegali. I think we're going to extend for a couple more days because it's so cool. Staying on a boat in the city centre. I would highly recommend it. Reasonable price, great food in the Irish bar. We will see you in a bit for the coronavirus test.